Mr. Hevel has his weapon of choice.
The Buret.
The Buret.
Absolutely. Yeah.
One more lab, Mr. Hevel.
One more, final lab. It's a kinetics lab, which is fitting because Chem AP goes by really fast. And so what better than to study the rate for our very last lab. It's pretty simple. We just simply have water in the Buret. There's no chemical reaction here. What we're studying is the rate at which water is draining out of the Buret. You can treat the volume of water as if it were a concentration, if that helps you think of it more easily. So what we're going to do here is we have the Buret filled right to the 0 mark. When we get ready, we'll open the valve, and water's simply going to be draining out of the Buret. And what you want to do is record the time every 5 milliliters. Okay, now what you ultimately want is total time from when it starts. So you'd like the time to get down to 5 milliliters, time to get down to 10 milliliters, time to get down to 15 milliliters, 5 milliliter increments. That'll give you 10 data points.
So every increment, we're going from the beginning, not from the previous one.
Right, right. We're always thinking about draining from the top of the Buret down to a given marking. Okay? And you may recall that, we had 0 first and second order kinetics. Same thing here. Of course, you'll have time on the x-axis, but there's 3 different plots you need to make, 3 different ways of plotting the y-axis.
Oh, I remember doing that for integrated rate law. We have to make 3 graphs.
And we'll need to see which one's the most linear, and that'll tell us the order. That's the heart of what's going on.
So we're going to try to find the order of the rate of draining the Buret.
Yes. And remember, once again, it's total time from the start. Time to 5 milliliters, total time to 10 milliliters, total time to 15.
So we're only going to drain it once, so we have to go back with the video and get the time.
Right. Hopefully you can, with your phone, you can look at the video and time it and pick off the times going down the Buret.
Yep.
Okay?
Okay, so I'll keep the camera on the volume, and
Right, we tell
Mr.
you when
Hell
you're ready.
will open up that valve, and away it'll go, and we'll just keep this on. Whenever you're ready, go
You
ahead
ready?
and start
You ready?
draining. Yep.
Okay, here we go. So just open. This is like the chemistry version of the hourglass right here.
Okay, 5 more, come on. That's through the 50.
Okay.
So we'll try to determine the kinetics of the draining Buret.
Yep.